Wike governor of Rivers State, the same way we will work to make Atiku president. So we are used to winning.
Yes.
We are used to working to win.
Yes, sir.
And don't worry your head. Even yes or Wike, our governor, will vote for Atiku Abubakar. He has no choice. He has just left the party. As long as he has not left the party, he will vote for his party.
Yes.
So the way we used to win, we will win in this state.
Yes.
So nobody should be involved. We are used to fighting governments when governments are wrong. How many of us are in this year? Yeah. That is it. This is where we fought Amaechi as sitting governor of Rivers State. We said he was not doing right for Rivers people and we fought it from here. So we are back to what we are used to doing. I thank you for your commitment. Thank you for your readiness. My official title is Director, Rivers State Presidential Campaign Committee. Sorry, Campaign Management Committee. I want to take it again. Director, Rivers State Presidential Campaign Management Committee. Senator Lee Maeba is the chairman of the Rivers State Presidential Campaign Council. So one is council and one is the management committee. The management committee is responsible for the day-to-day running of the entire campaign structure we are going to have in this state. And then we report to the campaign council. So the campaign council will hold us responsible if we don't deliver as expected. And all of you here are members of the campaign management committee. Don't allow yourself to be intimidated. They can remove billboards. They can tear posters. But Atiku is in the minds of the people of Rivers. So they cannot tear out your heart. You see, we are Rivers people. We are Rivers people. And Rivers people dictate the direction of elections in this country from the very first election that Nigeria held.